Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make homemade chaat. So let's get started. These are the ingredients which we will use in making chaat. First add potatoes, 2 or 3 large size of potatoes. Now add black grams, and 2 medium size onions. Tomato, green chilies, cucumbers, and cabbage. Now start adding these things. Now add chaat masala in it. 2 to 3 tablespoons, or you can add according to your choice or your taste. Now add lemons in it. I've added 3 lemons. You can add according to your choice. Now mix it well. So this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe the channel. Thanks.